Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today's makeup look is a very glittery one. So I'm starting out with the Smashbox Primer Oil and I'm priming my skin when using the Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer, taking that in more of my T-zone and any areas that I have enlarged pores, and also spurting it on my face. Just using a NYX color corrector in green. I'm just dotting that over top of any areas of redness, discoloration, hyperpigmentation, all the Asians. I'm dumb. And then patting that into my skin. I'm just using the Sephora concealer palette. I've had this for so long, I don't even know that it's sold anymore. I like to mix shades in here and use that for my under eye corrector and concealer, actually. So I'm mixing a couple shades there and taking it up underneath my eyes to get rid of the discoloration and the dark circles that I was born with. Then using the NARS concealer in Creme Brulee and dotting that over top of any area that I used that green color corrector. I don't like wearing foundation, so this is the most that I like do to my skin. On to concealer, mixing a couple shades for that. I use my beauty blender and my fingers mostly to blend. And then picking up some RCMA no color powder to set all of those areas. And I only set what I put down. I don't set my whole face. Now using the Too Faced Cocoa Contour palette and contouring up underneath my jaw, down the sides of my neck, and up underneath my cheekbones. And I like to blend that down to my jaw. And pretty much hollow out my face from up underneath my cheekbones down to my jaw. Now taking a smaller brush to be a little more precise with my contour now. This is a Sephora brush, I don't remember the name of it. Then taking the Kat Von D Shade and Light eye palette, and I'm taking this taupey shade to contour my nose. This brush, I have no idea what this is. I don't even remember where it came from. I'm taking a pinky plummy blush and patting that over top of my nose and cheeks. Filled in my eyebrows off camera, but I have put up a video of how I do my eyebrows, but it's on my Instagram, so check that out, at AllyCat MUA. Now I'm taking a few shades, I mix a few brown shades in that eye palette, and I dot it over top of any areas of redness that I have. I started doing this trick after Kathleen Lights did a video on this, how she will make, like if she has a pimple, she'll make it into a mole, and I thought that was absolutely genius. Now I'm taking Too Faced Shadow Insurance for my eyeshadow primer. This is a tried and true. I'm patting that over my eyelids. You guys know the deal. And taking the Morphe Artistry palette. I don't remember what eyeshadow stick this actually is because it actually sucked in this video and then I decided to like get rid of it. It was super dry, like so dry, and did not blend easily, and I don't even know what this is, but I don't recommend it either. You'll end up seeing me like blend for a million years to try and blend this out, and yeah, so you don't even want to know what it is, honestly. But anyways, I'm taking that and creating a wing cat eye shape, going in and patting on color with this tiny shader brush, and taking a plum color from that palette. It's a beautiful deep plum. And also bringing that up underneath my lash line. Now taking a small crease brush and bringing that a little further in toward my inner corner, but not all the way. And also taking the color and starting to blend out that line and try and blend out this cream because it was a struggle. And I'm really exaggerating this outer corner too. I'm really blowing it out here. And then taking a clean fluffy brush and just blending and blending and blending my life away. This brush, I love it. It's a Morphe angled brush, and it's like thick. She's thick. Now taking a MAC 218 brush, it's a bullet brush, and patting on a dark purple shade to add a little depth. Bless Nikki Tutorials and Ofra for this highlighter palette. I love her. Yes! I mixed shades. I always mix my highlighter shades, so I probably mixed all three here. And I'm taking that everywhere that you normally highlight, and in my inner corners as well, and up underneath my eyebrow. Now I'm taking a tiny little eyeliner brush and I'm deepening up my lash line with black and also elongating my inner corner. Now here's the fun part. This is Model's Own glitter gel. So I'm taking this on my fingers and patting it over top of my cheekbones. Look at that shine. Oh my god. Ugh. I'm also taking it above my lips. Then using a small brush, this is a Sephora Precise Concealer brush, and patting that in my inner corner and dragging it up toward my eyebrow and then over top of the brow, around the very edge of it and up onto my forehead. Just kind of cupping my eyebrow. Feeling myself. Oh yes. Taking that on the tip of my nose as well. And then using Tarte Moonwalk glitter gel. This stuff is beautiful and it has little stars in it. It's so cute. And patting that into my inner corners. This gel doesn't have quite as many darker shades in it, so it's really good to add that extra pop. Using Eliace false lashes. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And Maybelline Snapscara mascara. Setting everything with Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I can't get enough of this. Bam! Using Ofra liquid lipstick and Laguna Beach. I wanted my lips to, you know, be a little more nude, a little more natural, because that's the look I was going for. Super natch. I then contour my collarbones. I don't do this all the time, but you know, sometimes I just really want to make these bony bitches pop. And then I apply glitter to my collarbones. Yeah. I hope you all enjoyed this super glittery look, and I'm sorry for your entire house because it's going to be covered in glitter as you try and get this off your face. Please follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, all under the same name, AllyCat MUA. Twitter, actually, I'm under AllyCat Artistry. Please subscribe, please like this video, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you, love you, bye!